problem of the day is number of laser beams in the bank. Let us read the question. Anti-theft security devices are activated inside a bank. You are given a zero index binary string. We are given a vector of string, which is in which we can say that which is m cross n 2D matrix. Bank of I, which is our vector elements of vector, which is a string, represents have 0 and 1, where 0 means empty, cell is empty, and 1 means it has security devices. So what we have to say is that there is a laser beam between two security devices if both conditions are met. What is the first condition? The two devices are located between two different rows, and another one is for each row I, where I there is no security devices. Means we can see from the example that in this row, this is first row, this is second row, this is third row, this is fourth row, and these are all the cells. We the security devices are presented here 1, 2, 3. So the number of security devices laser count would be it would be from this to the another row where security devices are present. For each row I where Ri there is no security device in ith row, and the first condition is there are two devices located on the different rows. So let us understand how we will solve this. It is a simple question. We can see that we have to count only the laser beams. If we are having uh, three security devices in first row, and second device two security devices in third row, what would we get is total number of lasers would be 3 into 6. If we only see this matrix, this would be 3 into 6, and if we see this matrix, it would be 2 into 1. So what we can say is that we are only multiplying the previous number of security devices into the current one and summing it all. 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1. So what we have to see is we have to take a count of previous security devices we have seen and what is our current count. And if our row is empty, means count is 0, we have to not add, we have to not change our previous. So let us see the code. I have initialized n, which is bank size. I have taken a previous as int max because for the first row I would not add. For the first time I am seeing security devices in a row, I would not add or multiply because I don't know the previous one. So let us say I have initialized answer equal to 0, which I will return at last, and I have given a for loop, and I'm counting the security devices traversing through the string. So if c equal to 1, character equal to 1, I am incrementing it the count. If previous equal to not equal to end max, means I'm not seeing the security devices for the first time. What I will do is I will initialize my answer, add the previous into count. I would add previous into count in my answer, and this condition is if count not equal to 0, means for the row you can see in second row my count is 0, then I would not change my previous because my previous would be 3. So here I am not changing my previous. What I'm saying is if count is not equal to 0, then only I will change my previous, and then I will add my answer, and at last I will return it.